Oh, this is the one. Yeah, I forgot these. These are set up with a thing called a magic dock, so I could even charge my Bolt on this one.
You could.
Because it's got like a adapter inside of here.
Mm-hmm.
So pull that out of there.
Pull this out. Ooh, it's windy. You can tell we're by the water.
There you go.
Oh, that came out easy.
So.
Now I gotta step down.
Okay.
Hanging on to this. Okay.
Then you press this button right here.
Mm-hmm.
Up higher, that round thing there.
You want me to press it now?
Yeah, press it. Press it harder. Maybe go up forward a little bit. Press it. The door will open. There you go.
Oh,
Good.
okay.
Go up it.
And then it just...
And now you stick it in there.
Oh, okay. That was very easy.
Uh-huh. And then see, it's blue right now.
Mm-hmm.
When it turns green, that means it's charging. Now it's green. Now it's charging.
Okay. Does it tell you?
Then over here, right here, it shows you right here. Come here. It says it's at 17%. It takes 15 minutes, and I think that's to get up to our 100%. You could probably leave sooner than that, but I've got it set to 100%, so you could probably leave in 10 or 15 minutes, and you'd probably have enough for. But
now can I get out of the wind?
Yeah, you can get out of the wind.
I'll tell Dad we're charging and I hooked it up.
Yeah. We're over at the Days Inn Lakeview. There's a brewery. There's a brewery and a couple hotels. And you can take the ferry from here. Yeah. What'd you say? Where's the seals?
Seagulls.
Oh, okay.
There's a lot